4. Applications of robotics. What should robots be able to do? There was the DARPA Robotics Challenge from 2012 to 2015, and it originated from the Fukushima nuclear disaster. So this challenge consisted in developing human-supervised ground robots capable of executing complex tasks in dangerous, degraded human-engineered environments. Something like the picture that you can see here. But this picture is a fiction, it is not real. Here are some results of the finals of the DARPA Robotics Challenge. You can see that the robots are able of manipulating valves, of using some tools that are designed for humans, of exiting vehicles, and of walking on some debris. Now, where can robots be used? They can be used in dangerous or for dangerous tasks for humans, in repetitive, boring, stressful, or intense tasks, when there is motion with high precision like medicine or assembly, for example, or discussing tasks for humans like, for example, cleaning, human entertainment, etc. Industrial robots, they can be used for assembly, material handling, manipulation like pick and place, spot and arc welding, laser cut, painting, as you can see on the picture, inspection, etc. Indoor service robots can be used as customer support, for example, in museums for giving information about the museum itself, in cleaning like the Roomba robot, healthcare in hospitals, or entertainment, logistics and transportation like Amazon, warehouses again like Amazon, etc. For outdoor service robots, we have transportation like autonomous vehicles like the Google car, which you can see in the picture. They can be used for military like demining, surveillance, attack, etc. Exploration like the space, forests, sea, volcanoes. We can use them in mining, excavation, and exploration. Also for delivery like Amazon. Or in agriculture like autonomous tractor developed by John Deere. Construction, etc. They can be also used in medicine. You can see in this picture the Da Vinci robot, which is performing surgery through teleoperation. And here are other examples, the Da Vinci robot, some other tools, and some processes. There is a video here that shows the world of KUKA and different applications. You can see the whole video in the provided link.